Hi my friend, are you ready for another creative journey? Join me today as I take on week 41 of the Margarete Miller 5 Prompts Collage Challenge. I'll be crafting a beautiful postcard collage and spinning an enchanted fairy tale again. Are you curious to join me? Let's get crafting. Each week I'm creating a collage postcard for my mum in Germany. So as a base for my collage, I'm using a 4 by 6 inch index card, which is exactly the size of a normal postcard. And as an inspiration, the 5 prompts of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. This week it's a list of a few ingredients from a favorite recipe, something found in your bag or purse, something mechanical, something that looks like a secret code, a house, and as a bonus a key. Some of you might notice this book. I have used it so many times before to create my collage. The images are beautiful and I have taken out quite a few already. And I try to use them up even if here I used some of the backside and so I cut into that image, but I don't mind. I can hide it behind something else. I think it fits nicely. So chocolate covered cherry is the ingredients for a favorite recipe. Then something found in my bag is this receipt or this voucher for fuel, and I will use the barcode for something that looks like a secret code on top. Then something mechanical is this telescope here. And as the bonus, it's the key here, the brass key I will use. I will do some fussy cutting off camera. Here we are, the snow globe, and yes, I left it cut like this, and the brass key. I decided with the telescope just to tear it out, not to fussy cut it. I think I love the fuzzy edges, and I think I will just darken them with Distress Oxide ink just to help it to stand more out. I've done this also with all the other images that I'm using for this collage this week. I'm nearly done with all the images. The only thing that is left is something that looks like a secret code. And here I'm using the barcode from my fuel voucher. I will also go around with the Distress Oxide ink to make it fitting to all the other images. But for now, I think it is time for our fairy tale. And while I continue assembling my card, you can lean back and listen. I hope you enjoy. Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Elderglen, nestled between lush green hills and shimmering streams, there lived a young girl named Sarah. Sarah was known for her curiosity and her love for adventure. One chilly winter's day, as snowflakes danced in the crisp air, she stumbled upon an antique shop at the edge of the village. The shop was filled with peculiar items, each with its own story to tell. Sarah's eyes were drawn to a delicate snow globe sitting in a dusty shelf. Inside the globe was a miniature house, intricately detailed with tiny icicles hanging from its roof and a warm glow emanating from its windows. As she picked it up, she noticed something strange. A brass key with intricate decorations was embedded in the base of the snow globe. Curious, Sarah took the snow globe to the shopkeeper, an elderly man with twinkling eyes and a long white beard. He smiled knowingly and handed her an old purse that seemed out of place among the other treasures. Inside the purse was a piece of parchment with strange lines and a note that read, "To unlock the secrets within, follow the path of sweetness and stars." Sarah realized that this was a secret code meant to guide her on an adventure. Determined to uncover the mystery, Sarah set off on her quest. She knew she needed help deciphering the code, so she visited her friend Tobias, an inventor known for his intricate mechanical creations. Tobias welcomed Sarah into his workshop, filled with gears, cogs, and gadgets of all kinds. In the center stood his masterpiece, an intricate mechanical telescope adorned with celestial motifs. Tobias explained that this telescope could reveal hidden messages in starlight. Together, they aligned the telescope with the night sky and focused on a constellation that matched one of the lines on Sarah's parchment. To their amazement, words began to appear in the night sky. Seek the recipe for chocolate-covered cherries. Sarah remembered that her grandmother had once shared a special recipe for chocolate-covered cherries. She rushed home and found her grandmother's old recipe book. Flipping through its pages, she found what she was looking for. Chocolate-covered cherry recipe. Ingredients: a jar of maraschino cherries, a cup of dark chocolate chips, a tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The instructions were: drain cherries and pat them dry with paper towels. In a double boiler, melt chocolate chips and butter together until smooth. Stir in vanilla extract. Dip each cherry into the melted chocolate, ensuring they are fully coated. Place them on wax paper to cool until set. Sarah prepared the chocolate-covered cherries with care and noticed something peculiar. The brass key from the snow globe fit perfectly into a hidden compartment in her grandmother's recipe book. Inside the compartment was another note. The house in the snow globe holds your heart's desire. With newfound determination, Sarah returned to Tobias' workshop. They examined the snow globe closely and discovered that turning the key caused the house inside to open like a little tiny treasure chest. Inside was a beautiful locket containing a picture of Sarah's grandmother as a young woman, standing next to a mysterious figure who looked remarkably like Tobias' grandfather. Realizing their families were connected by this enchanted tale of love and adventure, Sarah and Tobias laughed with joy. They understood that their friendship was part of an age-old bond that had brought them together through time. From then on, Elder Glen celebrated this magical tale every winter by sharing chocolate-covered cherries under starlit skies while gazing through Tobias' magnificent telescope. And so, Sarah discovered not only a hidden treasure, but also the true magic of friendship and family connection, proving that sometimes our greatest adventures lie within our own hearts. And they all lived happily ever after. Okay, that brings us to the end of our fairy tale for this week. And the only thing left to do is going over the prompts one more time. So let's start. A list of a few ingredients from a favorite recipe. Are the chocolate-covered cherries in the bag? Then we have something found in your bag or purse. It's the code on the bottom. Something mechanical is the telescope. Something that looks like a secret code, again, like the code down there. The little house here, very intricate, cute and beautiful. And then we have, as a bonus, the brass key. I hope you enjoyed yourself and the video today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my videos. And thanks for staying that long with me, watching to the end. Means a lot to me. I wish you a wonderful day. Bye for now.